8 people are now facing charges in the death of a Bowling Green State University college student. Stone-Foltz died earlier last month after what investigators describe as a hazing incident at an off-campus fraternity party. 10 TV's Angela Weigert is at the State House tonight, where there is a push to end these tragedies.
But we're going to start tonight with our team coverage tonight with Brittany Bailey and the new indictments. Brittany?
Well, Yolanda, tonight, 8 young men are facing charges in the death of BGSU sophomore Stone-Foltz. 7 of them are facing felonies, and the prosecutor says they will be the focus. Now, Jacob Krinn was Stone-Foltz's so-called big brother in the fraternity, and he is facing the most charges. Now, the various charges for all involved range from first-degree involuntary manslaughter, reckless homicide, to felonious assault, hazing, and tampering with evidence. Most of the students charged are still students at Bowling Green, except for Troy Henriksen and Aaron Lehane. Now, the charges stem from an off-campus Pi Kappa Alpha fraternity party back on March 4th. The prosecutor says this hazing event was for new members, or so-called littles. They were given a bottle of high alcohol content liquor and told to drink the entire fifth. Stone-Foltz reportedly drank most or all of his and was taken home and left alone, where he was later discovered by his roommate. Foltz died at the hospital a few days later. The coroner determined he died from fatal ethanol intoxication during a hazing incident, and his blood alcohol level was more than 4 times the legal limit.
My hope is already gone, because my hope was never to have to take one of these cases. So my hope now is to provide as much relief, justice, and closure for these folks as I possibly can.
The Foltz family released a statement today saying, in part, "We are living every parent's worst nightmare and will not be at peace until fraternity hazing is seen for what it truly is, abuse. It's unacceptable, and in Stone's case, it was fatal. How many injuries and deaths will it take for people in positions of power to do the right thing?" Meanwhile, we did talk to the attorney representing Troy Henriksen.
Indicting somebody who was not criminally responsible does not advance any interest of anybody. And I am supremely confident that as the court process moves forward, it'll bear out that fact that he is not criminally liable.
And we also got a statement from the university today saying, in part, Bowling Green State University is appreciative of the hard work and diligence done by the prosecutor and a grand jury to seek justice and hold those accountable in the tragic death of student Stone-Foltz. And we also got a statement from the Pi Kappa Alpha fraternity, which has already been permanently expelled from the university. You can find that on 10tv.com. The men charged are all due back in court on May 19th. Yolanda?